Stronger inside and out, how exercise acts as medicine. Exercise is widely recognized as a powerful tool for maintaining and improving health, often referred to as medicine due to its broad spectrum of benefits. Here are several ways in which exercise acts as medicine. Cardiovascular health. Regular physical activity strengthens the heart muscle, improves blood circulation, and helps manage blood pressure and cholesterol levels. This reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases, including heart attacks and strokes. Metabolic health. Exercise enhances insulin sensitivity and helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for preventing and managing type 2 diabetes. It also aids in weight management by increasing metabolic rate and burning calories. Mental health. Physical activity has been shown to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Exercise stimulates the release of endorphins and other neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which improve mood and overall mental well-being. Musculoskeletal health. Engaging in weight-bearing and resistance exercises strengthens bones and muscles. This is vital for preventing osteoporosis and sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, improving posture, balance, and reducing the risk of falls. Immune system boost. Regular moderate exercise can enhance immune function, helping the body to fight off illnesses more effectively. This is particularly important for reducing the risk and severity of infections. Inflammation reduction. Exercise has anti-inflammatory effects, which can help manage chronic conditions like arthritis and inflammatory diseases. Regular physical activity helps to reduce the levels of inflammatory markers in the body. Cancer prevention and management. Physical activity is linked to a lower risk of several types of cancer, including breast, colon, and lung cancers. Exercise also helps cancer survivors improve their quality of life and reduce the side effects of treatment. Cognitive function. Exercise supports brain health by improving blood flow to the brain and stimulating the growth of new neurons. This can enhance cognitive function, delay the onset of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, and improve memory and learning abilities. Longevity. Studies have shown that regular exercise is associated with a longer lifespan. Physical activity helps to prevent chronic diseases, maintain a healthy weight, and improve overall physical and mental health, contributing to a longer and healthier life. Stress reduction. Exercise acts as a natural stress reliever by reducing levels of the body's stress hormones, such as adrenaline and cortisol. It also helps in relaxing the mind and improving sleep quality, further contributing to stress management. Enhanced respiratory health. Regular aerobic exercise strengthens the respiratory muscles and improves lung capacity and efficiency. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with chronic respiratory conditions like asthma and COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Digestive health. Exercise can help maintain a healthy digestive system by increasing gut motility, which helps to prevent constipation. It also promotes a balanced gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in overall health and immunity. Hormonal balance. Physical activity influences the endocrine system, helping to regulate hormones. For instance, it can help balance levels of insulin, growth hormone, and sex hormones like estrogen and testosterone, which are vital for various bodily functions. Pain management. Exercise, particularly low-impact activities like swimming or cycling, can help manage chronic pain conditions such as fibromyalgia and chronic lower back pain. Physical activity increases pain tolerance and decreases the perception of pain. Skin health. Regular exercise improves circulation, which enhances the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the skin. This can promote a healthy, glowing complexion and may help alleviate conditions like acne and eczema. Sleep improvement. Engaging in regular physical activity can improve the quality and duration of sleep. Exercise helps regulate the sleep-wake cycle and reduces symptoms of insomnia. It is particularly effective when performed in the morning or afternoon. Social interaction and support. Participating in group exercises or sports can provide social interaction and support, which are essential for mental health and well-being. Building social connections through exercise can reduce feelings of loneliness and provide a sense of community. Bone density. Weight-bearing exercises, such as walking, running, and resistance training, stimulate bone formation and increase bone density. This is crucial for preventing osteoporosis and fractures, especially in older adults. Energy levels. Regular physical activity boosts overall energy levels by improving cardiovascular health and enhancing the efficiency of the heart, lungs, and muscles. This leads to increased stamina and reduced fatigue in daily activities. Detoxification. Sweating during exercise helps the body eliminate toxins through the skin. Additionally, improved circulation aids the liver and kidneys in detoxifying the blood and removing waste products more efficiently. Inflammation and immune response. Exercise can help modulate the immune response and reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to a variety of diseases including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and cancer. Regular physical activity enhances the body's ability to fight infections and diseases. The comprehensive benefits of regular exercise underscore its role as a potent form of medicine. From improving cardiovascular health and enhancing mental well-being to boosting the immune system and promoting better sleep, exercise is a key component of a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.